Hey guys, this is Plano with Intensa Dry Restoration. Today I'm bringing you to one of our jobs where you can see invisible water. So I will show you how it looks like, the damaged materials, and the importance of calling for water damage restoration company to do inspection. So see you soon. This is the residential house. So what happened here was a dishwasher leaked, just new one. So it damaged. Water went under this floor. And here you can see visible water damage, while flooring is not that visible, but you can see some warping here as well. And this is our device called moisture meter that shows us if there is moisture underneath. So you see, this is called, it's very wet, so it's like 40% of moisture underneath. This is also wet, and I can show you where it's not wet. See, this is a dry. So green color, 16% of moisture, means material is dry. But here, it's already wet. Here it's already dry, but we kept air movers here for a couple of days, but you see this damage. So basically, all damaged materials need to be removed. This is cracking, also typical sign of water damage. And water went all this room and closet. Here as well you can see signs of water damage, especially floor. 60%. So that was a brief introduction to invisible water.